Hi everybody, this is Estelle from Runners Income Partners. Today we're going to give you a quick overview of our new project management system called Monday.com. The system is extremely user-friendly and you will see that whenever you have a live project with us, we will invite you to have access to a shared board. The shared board will detail your company details, so if you can keep those up to date for us, that would be appreciated. We can invite as many guests as you would like, and you will generally receive email updates every time somebody has a comment on the board. If you would like to stop seeing the email updates in your inbox, you just press unsubscribe. It does not mean that you will not have access to the board anymore. It just means that you will not see the updates in your inbox. Once you've accepted your invitation, you will have an avatar. You can populate it with your telephone number and your picture, so it's a quick and easy view for us. If you are ever looking for anything by person, you can press the filter button here, or alternatively, if you would need to know if you have been subscribed to any of the pulses, and this is a pulse. Each one of these are known as pulses. Each pulse will keep its own information. So you could add to the conversation by clicking the little blue blimp. You can see there's a total of three updates and one document under the info boxes. If you want to have a quick overview of what has happened on the pulse, you can just click the activity log. You can also then filter that by the person that has made the comments. The beauty of the updates is that every single time you would like to mention somebody specifically, you can click on their name. It will send a message directly to them. We can also generate checklists, which keeps an easy view of what is outstanding on the application. So if you want to, or we want to inform you that the SANS 10400 is outstanding, we will make it as an update. Once you have added the SANS 10400, you can just cross it out. So we all have a quick and easy view of what has been completed and what not. The little eye icon here will tell us exactly how many people have viewed this update. Here you can see there has been 2 of us, and there it's only me. Another great feature of the system is that you can route all your emails to the pulse by just clicking the copy, adding it to your email address, and then your emails will appear here. It makes it really convenient when you have a number of people working on one project and they don't all have access to the same email. The more you play around with the system, the easier it gets, but at last, if you still have questions or not sure where to go, please feel free to give us a buzz. Alternatively, you can get immediate help with joining a webinar, instant help, or a support ticket. And we hope that this has been informative and that it will help you navigate the system. Thanks.